How to block WhatsApp status screenshot. Now, it is actually working, but there's only two specific ways on doing this for this to work. Now, the first method is via the settings on your WhatsApp application. At the top right portion of your screen, you should be able to see three dots. Simply tap on that, and then just simply head straight into settings. Now, from here, just simply scroll down a bit, and then go into privacy. Now, under privacy, you just head straight into profile picture. Now, the reason why we are actually trying to adjust the setting from your profile photo, it actually affects the whole profile settings on your account. So for you to be able to block this all over, all you have to do is just to switch it to nobody. This allows you to block someone who will take a screenshot on your status. So that's pretty much it. That's how you block WhatsApp status screenshot.